Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you the absolute fastest and most effective ways to make a background transparent in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are working with professional portraits or trying to cut out product photos for your store, these techniques will save you hours of manual labor. If this tutorial helps you master your editing workflow, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design guides. Let us jump right into our first method, which is the absolute fastest way to get the job done using artificial intelligence. First, open your image file directly in Photoshop. Once your file is open, look for the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You need to make sure you have selected the primary image layer that contains your subject. Now, navigate over to the Properties panel. If you do not see it, simply go to the Window menu at the top and check Properties. Within the Properties panel, under the Quick Action section, you will see a button labeled Remove Background. Click this button. In just a few seconds, Photoshop will automatically analyze your image, create a precise layer mask, and completely remove the background for you. This is by far the best method for portraits, product photography, and any images that have a relatively clear separation between the subject and the backdrop. It is incredibly powerful and usually perfect on the first try. Now, sometimes you might be working with a very specific, simple, or solid color background where you want a bit more manual control. For this, we use the classic Magic Wand tool. Open your image again and head over to your toolbar on the left. Find the Magic Wand tool or simply press W on your keyboard. Once selected, click anywhere on the background color you want to remove. If it selects too much or too little, you can adjust the tolerance setting in the top bar to refine the selection sensitivity. Once the background is selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. You will immediately see that distinctive checkerboard pattern appear, which signifies that your background is now completely transparent. This manual approach is perfect for studio shots with plain white backgrounds or any solid color backdrops. Once you have reached this stage, just export your file as a PNG to keep that transparency intact. Mastering these two workflows will honestly change your entire editing experience. Again, if you found value in these quick Photoshop tips, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss our next technical deeper dive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.